super cozy journal with me set up today because it's really cold. I've put the heating on, but it just feels really cold in this room. So I've got a blanket, my pillow that I like to lean on. So welcome to another journal with me. I had endeavoured to get more of these out. Well, definitely one last week, but I was sick again, which was very, very frustrating. But I think and hope that I'm out the other side, and now you're going to be getting these weekly like I promised. So I'm not going to talk too much. I think we should just get stuck into it today. We're going to do 3 prompts. We're going to keep it standard, 3 prompts. We're going to go for our usual 3.5 minutes. I'm actually going to stop saying that because, well, I guess I shouldn't necessarily stop saying that, especially if this is the first video you've ever seen. But anyway, we're going to go 3 prompts, 3.5 minutes each, and we are going to get stuck in. So the first prompt is, what makes me happy? What makes me happy? And the next one is, how can I create more magic in my life? How can I create more magic in my life? final one is, what does freedom mean to me? What does freedom mean to me? Okay, I hope you found those prompts interesting and insightful. I definitely did. I really enjoyed those prompts, actually. I mean, I always enjoy the prompts, but those ones had something a bit special and a bit different, and just felt nice to write about those things. Happiness, magic, freedom. I just think they're really nice things to write about. So I hope you found them interesting and insightful and uplifting. Let me know in the comments how you found them, and I will see you again in next week's Journal with Me.